Hello everybody. Today we can see about Getein Biotech NT-proBNP N-terminal pro-B-type natriuretic peptide. It is a biomarker which was produced by heart. This kit we used to do diagnostic the heart functions. This is the top view. In this top view we can see the brand name GP Getein Biotech. It is a C certificate IVD product. We use this test kit up to 25 tests. This is the front view. In this front view you can see the brand name Getein Biotech, and this is the product name NTproBNP for test kit. We use this test kit principle of Immunofluorescence Assay, and we can see the reference number 1002. We use this test kit up to 25 tests. This test kit is compatible with Getein 1100 analyzer. Once again we can see this is a brand name Getein Biotech. This is a product name NTproBNP for test kit. We use this test kit principle of Immunofluorescence Assay. This is the reference number IF1002. We use this test kits up to 25 tests. This is a compatible with Getein 1100 analyzer. We can see the another sides. In this side we can see the product name NTproBNP. This test kit we storage under 4 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. After that we can see there is a test card in this product. This test card we use within 1 hour. We unopen the foil cover and see the another details. We can show the other side. This is the back side and this is the another side. This side we can see the brand name Getein Biotech and manufacturing details also. So this is a total overall representation of this product. We can open this product for your reference. Here we go for unbox the product. This is the overall view after unboxed up test kit. Here we can see the instruction manual. You can take this out. Here we can see GP NTproBNP for test kit Immunofluorescence Assay. This is contents. We can see indent use, summary, principle, contents, applicable device, storage and stability. There is a lot of details in this instruction manual. We can keep this aside. Next we can see disposable pipette. In this disposable pipette there are 25 nozzles with clearly packed and sterile content. So we can see the product clearly. Total number of 25 disposable pipette. We can keep this aside. The next product is sample diluent. This is a 25 nozzles. We can see clearly this pack, neatly packed with sterile content. Total number of 25 nozzles. We keep aside this product. The next one is SD card. We can clearly see the product name NTproBNP. This is a pack view. We keep this aside. So after that you can see there is 25 test cards in this box. I am take this one for your reference. Here we can see clearly this is a brand name Getein Biotech and this is a product name NTproBNP for test kits Immunofluorescence Assay. This pack contains one test card. Here we can see This pack contains one test card. This is a back view. We can keep this test card 4 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. The shelf life of this test card is 24 months, and we can use this test card within 1 hour once the foil cover is opened. These are the details, and you can see the manufacturing details also. Yeah, I'm keep this aside. To summarize it, Getein Biotech NT-proBNP first test kit. This pack contains one instruction manual, disposable pipette 25 nurses, sample diluent 25 nurses, one SD card. In this SD card we clearly may see NTproBNP, NTproBNP fast test kit, 25 nurses. Thank you.